Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and it's been a long time since I've sat in my craft room. It's been 10 to 12 weeks. Uh, you know, I stopped coming in here to help get ready for my son's wedding and do some things, and then a lot of family stuff happened, and if you could say a prayer for my brother James. He has cancer that he's fighting, so I'm really worried about that. And I've just lost my mojo, and I have been buying, just like I've been crafting every day and need to buy, apparently. And apparently I have a problem with it. But I'm going to show you my problem because this is a Anna Griffin uh, HSN haul, and it might be 2 or 3 videos. We will see. So guys, I'm glad to be back. And yeah, so let's see what I bought. Like I said, this came from HSN. They still have 99% of this stuff. And yeah, so let's get started. This is Anna Griffin Advent Card Topper Kit. I bought a lot of her Christmas stuff when she had the big sale in July. And let's see what we get here. So this is to make the Advent card kit, and this will make sense to you when I show you other stuff when we get to it. So this opens up little doors in your card. When you open your card, it opens up little doors. So there's that. I'm sure you don't understand yet, but we'll get there. I thought I was doing a lot by unpackaging the big boxes, but I forgot about all the other boxes. Thankfulness Floral Stickers. So I got to remember that these are stickers. Wow, look at all the stickers you get. It says it is 120 of them. And they're pre-stickered and they're 3-dimensional. And you can use them on so much stuff. Scrapbooking, it's not just for card making. Okay. I think I had my anniversary, my birthday, and Christmas all wrapped up in these boxes right here. So this is the birthday tags and stuff. So I'm trying to hurry because I have so much, but I'm going to actually try to slow down because I'll just make 2 videos. Guys, did y'all know I'm on TikTok? I'll have to find out my name and put it in the links below and let y'all know that I'm on TikTok, and I do a lot of cooking and I show a lot of nature things at the lake here. So these are the birthday and cupcakes and presents, very 3-dimensional, and it's got ribbon and it has sentiments. So, and here is like cakes, and this is like the birthday card set that she has, little hats, and I think this went over so well, and I like it so much. I mean, look how cute that is. I like it so much that I hope that this is what her birthday box is, like her big Christmas box, because I got that. Oh, there is, says what it is, but I couldn't see it before. It is birthday gift tag kit. Oh, so I make tags out of this, and there's tags down below maybe. Oh, good. See, I bought so much and so long ago, I don't even remember what I have. Shame on me, shame on me. So, let's see what's next. And I am just throwing everything back behind me, but I do reuse the tissue and stuff. So this is the decorative holly stickers, and that's what they are, these different stickers. And, oh, here we go. I can't open it. Sorry for all the noise. I hope it doesn't irritate you. But oh, look, half of them are silver glittered and half of them are gold and glitter. Wow, and you get 120. That's a magical number to fit in this size box. So everything is from HSN. So go Google Anna Griffin on HSN and you will find these goodies. So what's next is, these are die and embossing folders all at the same time. It is so nice to work with these. So when you put your paper in, it cuts it out and embosses all at the same time, and I like these more than just the dies. So these are the two patterns. I don't know if you can actually see the pattern, but I will show you the little picture that comes with it. And these are called birthday layering cut and embossed folders. It cuts out the paper and embosses at the same time. So let me get the wording right, and so that you will see what it does. It's gorgeous. So yeah, so there is that. I can't wait to use things. I am ready to start crafting again. And I know a lot of this is for card making, but I use it for albums and different stuff too. So these are smaller. These are a lot smaller. If I'd have had my ruler, I'd have showed you the difference in size. Or it might say it. See the difference in size? Wow. Let's see if it says what size these are. I don't see it. This is for the 5x7 cards. I know this, but I don't know what size this is for. So this is Christmas box cut and emboss folders. So you have this one that makes a little pattern, and then this one is a wreath that makes the pattern. And I wish I saw the size on here. I just don't. Sorry guys. But it makes beautiful wreaths and embosses beautifully. I love anything Anna Griffin makes is very desirable. Okay, so this is paper. Let's see what the paper is. This is Thankfulness Floral Cardstock, 48 double-sided cardstock, 12 by 12. So let's look at her paper. Never going to get it back in there. Got some weight to it. You can hear it. There's the one side. There's the other. That's her famous pattern if you want to copy her pattern. So there's the one side. There's the other. Okay. There is, this is like Thanksgiving colors. There's that color. That's very pretty. There's the other side. There is that pattern. Oh, there's the other side. Anything with blues in it I love. This is grayish blue. This is looking like wallpaper to me. Very vintage. So there's that side. And oh, it is gold foil raised. I can feel it. There's that side. Looks like kitchen wallpaper to me. Very vintage again. And oh, I am loving that right there. I had this kind of wallpaper in my old house, but it was maroon, painted the ceiling gold with green trim, but it wasn't Christmassy. It was very Victorian. So, and the house was 1865, so it was very Victorian. So yeah, there you know something about me now. when I lived in the oldest city in the United States. Do you know what city that is? Way back when. So look at that. That's so pretty with the roses and everything. And then this is gold, and it is foiled, and you can feel it a little embossed. This green is very pretty. And then it is a green and gold foiled striped. This black I've seen before somewhere. That's nice. And then it is gold foiled on back. Okay, that pretty pink is very vintagey. Looks like a little girl's room. And then, oh, I like the back side. It is pink and gold. Who doesn't like pink and gold? This is very pretty. Is it a hat? What is it? Half of a butterfly? I don't know. Maybe just a design, or maybe I think it might be a hat. The flowers are in a hat. That's very nice. And the back side is going to be gold little flowers. So that's nice. There's some blue gray flowering in this. So that's pretty. And that is a green with gold. And here is another color with the grayish blues in it. And it is a tiny little gold star flowery thing. So that is the paper. I like the back side of them just as much as the front. So let's put that off to the side. Okay, let's see how long the video is. We'll go a little bit longer and keep pulling stock. So this I did get from Anna Griffin's shop, from her actual store online, because they were out of stock at HSN. This is the only thing that I got from her online, and it makes cards. It makes cards. This is the birthday cake pop-up. This is the pop-up, and let me let you just see the pictures of what this does. So can you see the birthday cake right there pop up, and it makes the step up right here, and it gives a spiral. I don't know if you can see that there's an actual spiral. Let's see if they show it better. Well, here it is, the spiral. You can almost do that with a flower spiral instead of rolling it up. Put it right there, and that's what that is for. So I bought a lot of paper and everything to go with it, and I had to buy this from her, which is fine. The next item is what I was trying to explain with the first little boxes. Was these, you make a card, and this is the spine. You make a card, and this is the spine. This would be the front and the back, and you do 2 of these, and you do 2 of these if you want to do for 24, or if you want to do 12. And these little squares open, and you can say little sentiments in them. You can make this a box stick and have little treats in them. Have to be really small though. And it comes with the window openings, it comes with hinges and numbers. And that's what this was for. So now you understand what I meant by that. And she gave us pre-cut paper to do all that. So this is really exciting. This could be not only for Christmas, and it's the 12 days of Christmas, or the boxes that you open up once a month for the whole month of December, but you could do this for someone for their birthday, or just thinking of you, or you know. So I really like this. This also coordinates with this. This is the 12 days of Christmas 3 French hens is right here. Golden rings, the doves. So let me see on the back. I forgot that I could open it and show you more what it does. So see how you number it and you can open it and it shows those right there. And this is called Mini 12 Days of Christmas Dies. Okay. This one right here that I bought from Anna's was pop-up dies to do all the pop-ups. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that one. This one right here was called, this one with the, and here's the instructions, is Advent. See, this is an Advent calendar, but it's a card, Advent card dies. And see, that gives you instructions and ideas. So sorry guys, it's been so long since I made a video. I'm forgetting how to tell you the names of it. Okay, this is flourishes. This is, see, this is Anna Griffin's signature paper, the yellow that she likes so much. And I love that her stuff comes on magnetic boards already, and I already have binders to put them in. So this right here, beautiful. Let's put that back so it doesn't. Okay, this right here is called Festive Flourish Dies. Festive Flourish Dies, and it gives you an idea. And that's what they are. I like even just having that little one here, and all these two are really nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So that was nice. I think I have a little bit longer to finish up a couple more of these dies. Let's see. Oh, I've been waiting to show you this. It is Christmas tree, and this is the tree. This is the one that goes over it, and it raises up, and it's 3-dimensional. This is the lights that go to it. This is a beautiful die once you see it. And you could have it for all kind of seasons. It just depends on what color of paper you use. But there is some dies, pictures of the dies and all. So that's going to be really fun to use. So let me put that here. Let's get into this. And this is holly. Remember how I made the flowers in a card and it blooms open? Well, this is the holly. And let me show you what her examples are and give you the name of it. This is called Poinsettia Pop-Up Dies. And see what the card would look like when you open it up in the middle of the card. And she gives the instructions. They're very easy, very easy. And when you open it, it blooms open. So that's nice. So let me put that in here. So, okay guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and stop here. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of hers. And I'm going to make 2 videos because it is so much. Because what I'm going to show you next is to die for, the most favorite stuff. So yeah, I'll be right back. All my links are down below. Thank you for watching me and sub to me. Have a blessed day.